Do you need original video content for your product, service, or software, but don't have the time or budget for commercial production? The URL Doctor's B-roll video editing is a great option for creating professional quality video content that won't break the bank. Hi, I'm Kim Merritt, the URL Doctor. When it comes to audience engagement, there's no more effective tool to teach, train, market, or advertise than video. But physical production can be expensive and time-consuming. That's where we come in. B-roll video is our cost-effective alternative for creating engaging, original video content without sacrificing quality or creativity. Here's how it works. You send us a script or have us write one for you. Using high-definition B-roll footage, voiceover narration, titles, graphics, and music, we'll create professional quality advertising, training, promo, or social media videos for a fraction of the cost of commercial production. Need something more advanced? No problem. Our mixed media video option can integrate raw footage, screen capture video, and animation for a unique and stylized visual storytelling experience. We've been creating premium video content for name brand companies for years. No matter what industry you're in, B-roll video can help you bring your company's story to life and engage your audience at home or on the go. So schedule a consultation today and let's bring your product or company's story to life with premium quality B-roll video content.